BMR stands for basal metabolic rate, which is the amount of energy a body burns just at rest on an everyday basis. The body is using energy to function through bodily functions. A body consumes roughly 70% of the calories just as BMR. So BMR is increased when muscle mass is increased as well. So you burn more calories the more muscular you are, which helps decrease body fat and visceral fat. So this is the rate at which metabolism and the amount of energy a body burns just at rest. So it makes up your metabolism in total is 70% of basal metabolic rate, 10% of it is exercise, and 20% of it is non exercise adaptive thermogenesis. So this is just what makes up your metabolism, and this is the rate that your body metabolizes at.